Will the chip distribution trader disappear in the future? This is an old topic that has been discussed in the electronic industry for more than 10 years. Will the industry don't need this electronic components distributor anymore, especially since TI announced its own self-employment. Many agents and distributors are worried that once the form of direct business is successful, will there be other original factory follow up? The agent distributor will be eliminated.
However, from the current point of view, since TI self-employment, it happened to have encountered the stage of chip shortages because TI was the most stock upgrade and their price took off at that time. But TI underestimated the difficulty serving many customers and lost many customers because of the self-employment. This business model seems to be not as good as expected.
However, I personally think that the original factory is not the biggest threat to middlemen. The greatest threat may be that everyone is still unable to perceive AI chip seems to help us find on the future sim of the chip's future.
Artificial integrations require more powerful chips, which will lead to the future chip development trend is that more chips will combine together and the integration of chip will be higher.
So what does the integration of chip more and more mean? What threat will be caused by the survival of agent and seller?
Take H100 as an example. H100's transistor is as high as 18 billion. At 7 nanometer, the number of transistors usually reach 8 billion to 9 billion, up to 39 billion. So everyone knows what kind of level of H100 is. The birth of H100 has been called nuclear bomb level, but the more horrible is B200. It is equivalent to 5 H100. The B200 actually has 208 billion transistors, which creates his story. Compared with the first generation chip, B200 has reduced cost and energy consumption. In the past, training ChatRobot ChatGPT was 3 months, and at 100 chips and 15 MW power was required. Today, only 2,000 chips are required to consume 4 MW of electricity.
So what is the relationship between the increasingly integrated chip with the disappearance of distributors? Everyone knows that the profit of chip distribution trade mainly comes from the information gap.
The production of information gap is mainly due to the chip model and times are too many. Unit of module of chip and large number of supply and services unreasonable, which give agents distribution and trader profit margin. When the integration of chip is getting higher and higher, the peripheral devices will be reduced. The model of chip will slowly compress and less, and the information gap will become less and less. The only simple components trading in the future may not survive.
If you feel that although the module is lesser, but the chip with the high degree of the integration is very expensive. Yes, you are right.
The total value of chips demand may not increase and may follow the scale of intelligence development, but because the front of supply will become simpler with the fewer chip types.
For us chip suppliers, we should think about the more added value services. Can we provide the customer to ensure that we can still survive in the post-era of AI development?
In the era of AI intelligence, autonomous driving, and IoT, whether there will be possibly more diverse demand for electronic products, or even more the need of chips. This requires whether enterprises can quickly address the trends in the times.
If you have any opinion on this, please leave a message. I'm Arina. See you next time. Bye.